The food system. What is it? The food system is the path that our food travels from the field to the fork. This system is interrelated and interdependent. In a natural environment, one cannot exist without the other. Local food stories help our economy and help consumers know exactly where their food comes from. This amazing path connects farms to people and people to their food. Let's find out more about a food story. There are 5 main parts of a food story. The story starts with production, moves to processing, then moves to distribution, then moves to consumption, and ends with waste. Then the story begins again. With our subtropical weather in 4 different regions, South Carolina food stories are unique. This South Carolina food system story focuses on processing. Processing involves transforming the original form of the harvested crop. But to find out more, we have to ask,
what's my South Carolina food story?
in the food system, where does processing fit?
Which is downstream from the production stuff, which is field-grown specialty crops, and we're before the distribution stuff. So we buy from the farmer the production stuff, and we sell to the distribution stuff.
What does processing consist of?
Our processing facility here is limited to the idea that it's fresh cut into a bag, value added.
Can you walk us through the processing steps?
It's washed, chopped, and washed again, then dried, then bagged.
What types of produce do you process?
Basically, if it goes in a salad or on a sandwich or on a cheeseburger, we do it.
Here's a look into how smaller processing operations work.
That's them. Like they had to go to school.
This South Carolina food story of processing tells us that processing involves washing, chopping, and bagging. So what's the moral of the South Carolina food story?
So really in about 48 hours it can be out of our field and into a grocery store shelf.